In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Ticketmaster tickets on Seatgeek step by step, 5 minutes. If you've got Ticketmaster e-tickets you're ready to resell, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to get them onto Seatgeek quickly and safely. Before you start, locate the ticket file you downloaded from Ticketmaster, typically a PDF or another digital ticket file, and keep it somewhere easy to find on your computer. First, open your browser and go to Seatgeek. Give the page a moment to load so all the seller tools appear correctly. You're heading to the place where buyers are already searching for your event, so a clean upload here saves time later. Next, click Sell. This takes you into Seatgeek's selling flow, where the platform will attach your tickets to the correct event and verify the file you provide. If your event is popular, don't worry, Seatgeek will still match it accurately once the file is scanned. Choose Add e-tickets. This option is designed for digital files you already have from Ticketmaster. It's the fastest route when you aren't mailing physical tickets and you're not using a transfer link. Now, drag and drop your ticket file into the upload area, or click to upload if you prefer browsing your folders. Dragging is great if the file is on your desktop, clicking is helpful if it's tucked inside a downloads folder. If you have multiple tickets in one file, that's fine. Seatgeek can usually detect the correct quantity during processing. Select the file that corresponds to the exact event date and venue. If you saved more than one version, pick the most recent download to avoid outdated barcodes or incorrect pages. Clear file names can help, like including the event name and date. Click Open to confirm your choice. You should see the file name appear in the uploader, often with a quick preview or status indicator. If you selected the wrong file by accident, you can back out and choose again before finalizing. Finally, click Upload. Keep the browser tab open while Seatgeek processes the file. This can take a moment as the system reads the ticket details and aligns them with the event on the marketplace. Once processing completes, Seatgeek will guide you to the remaining listing details, such as confirming seats and getting the listing ready for buyers. That's it. You've just moved your Ticketmaster e-tickets into Seatgeek using the Add e-tickets flow. After upload, review any on-screen prompts carefully and watch for confirmation so you know your tickets are ready to be listed. Thanks for watching and good luck with your sale.